Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will unbox the car number 305 from Fast and Furious Mix 3 set Hot Wheels Premium, which is this Koenigsegg CCXR with the really nice wheels. I like them a lot, so let's just unbox this. So finally we have it out of the blister. Let's take a closer look at this. Wow, so this is an actual 10 out of 10 casting for me. It has all the details and as well as the Koenigsegg badging. The rear details are also very nice, and the color is called Storm Black, but upon a closer look it looks like sort of brownish glittery paint. And the wheels on this one are really nice. It's the chromed out Real Riders 10 spoke modern wheels. And we have the spoiler. I think the spoiler is plastic, and the base doesn't have much details. Other than that, this is like a 10 out of 10 casting. What do you guys think about this casting? I think this is the highlight from this particular set, which is the Fast and Furious Mix 3 set, and I will link the other castings from this set in this video. Make sure to watch them and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.